Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to archive a list within your ClickUp. So archiving can be super useful. Let's say you are completely done with a project and you just still want to be able to search and go back in case you have to go back to see some piece of information. But if you don't have to, then you want this out of sight, out of mind. So let's go ahead. I am just coming over here to the little sidebar, and then I am going to right click on the list I want to archive, and then it's going to be pretty easy. You just click archive there. You can still search. Everything is still there, but it just takes it out of you. So if you wanted to go, let's say, I'm going to say possibilities is archived. Yeah, research possibilities is archived, but you can go back into it. You can go see it. You can't edit it at all unless you want to unarchive it. But that's kind of a quick how to archive a list. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials in the description down below. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much. Catch you guys in the next one.